Hi there, Mark here. Join us for the SAP ALM Summit EMEA 2024 from September 24th to 27th in Manufaktur Mannheim, Germany. Event center stage is SAP Cloud ALM and the integration to LeanIX, SAP Signavio and SAP Focus Run. Discover the potential of AI-infused ALM and understand how it addresses your daily challenges. Learn how SAP Cloud ALM supports your clean core strategy to achieve a modern, flexible and up-to-date ERP. Watch the final stage of the ALM Summit, where partners showcase intelligent, innovative extensions and help to find the winning team. The ALM Summit EMEA is your opportunity to network, meet experts, and listen to success stories from your peers. This is your chance to gain deep insights, share experiences, expand your professional network, and align your strategies with industry best practices. This 4-day event with more than 60 expert sessions is tailored for ALM practitioners, IT leaders, business analysts, project managers, and just anyone interested in the future of ALM. Join us at the SAP ALM Summit EMEA 2024 to fuel your dreams and take your ALM journey to the next level. Register today and ignite your ALM journey.